Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add social media icons to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. And when you do it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is social share buttons, social media buttons. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Then you're going to be here in applications, and in search, you just want to write social media. And now you're gonna see social media icons here. And it's pretty simple. You just choose which one you want, like fixed icons or white icons, social icons. Like let's go with this one here. Then you get like icons here that you can add like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and everything. And then you see a layout here, like how big you want the social media icons. And you can make them also floating if you want to. So when someone is going to scroll through a website, they are going to see it, right? Everywhere. And then just click save. Right after you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're going to have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic, pro, or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And right here, code. Paste the code and apply. Yep, it's a little bit bugging right now. I need to center it. But this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya. It's bugged up right now.